MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we've got a 19 Montauk, just came in from Boston Whaler. It's powered with a Mercury 150 4-stroke engine. It does have the swim step back here on the backrest for your back seats. These are removable. You have your anchor storage light over here on the side gunnel. Up here we have a flip-flop backrest seat for your captain and co-pilot. You've got a compass. You've got all your gauges up here on the dash. Plenty of room here for a chart plotter, Simrad or Raymarine, whichever brand you choose. This has got a bimini top installed. Plenty of hardware for grab handles. It does have all of the bow cap railing around the front. Moving up here, we've got the bow filler cushion installed. Underneath that, there's plenty of storage. We have a cooler with a cushion seat, rod holders. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkin.